Hey Java developers, a lot of new features have been added to Java between 18 and 21, but a few features have been deprecated or removed. Let's take a look at a few key examples. Of the features that have been removed or deprecated between JDK 18 and 21, 4 are worth focusing on. The deprecation of finalization, locale constructors, and the compat locale provider, and the removal of the jar index feature. By far the largest and most impactful of these changes was the deprecation for removal of finalization in JDK 18 as covered in JEP 421. To prepare for the removal of finalization, the first step might be to disable finalization with the VM argument finalization equals disabled. And this entirely turns off finalization even when it originates within the JDK itself. If your application experiences no issues, then your work might be done. If you do have issues, consider using the new JFR event jdk.finalizerStatistics to track usage of finalization. The on-screen commands providing examples of enabling JFR and filtering to instances of jdk.finalizerStatistics. If the references to finalize are in your code, there are two primary options. Either migrating the code to use try with resources or switching to the cleaner API. Detailed explanations of both in the article in the description. The constructors for the locale class was deprecated in JDK 19. Instead, use the static methods of or the for language tag or use a builder. These factory methods validate the values provided and don't create duplicate locale instances, which should result in faster cache lookups. Since JDK 9, CLDR has been the default for locale data. This change is specified in JEP 252. With JDK 21, a warning will now be emitted if compact data is used. Compat might be removed as soon as JDK 22. See JBS issue JDK 8304982 for more details. The jar index feature was removed in JDK 21. It was turned off by default with JDK 18, and there was no negative response, leading to its removal in JDK 21. The original intent of the jar index feature was an optimization for applets, but with applets also on their way out, no replacement will be provided. A warning will be emitted with either I or generate index being used. See JBS issue JDK 8302819 for details. Happy coding!